Ladies, have you ever laughed at a joke, sneezed, or coughed and suddenly felt a leak you weren't expecting? Do you find yourself rushing to the bathroom or avoiding certain activities out of fear of bladder accidents? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of women over 40 experience this exact issue every single day. Bladder leaks can be frustrating, embarrassing, and even life-limiting. But here's the truth. They are not something you have to just live with. In today's video, I'll explain why bladder leaks happen more often after 40, the daily habits that can make them worse, and most importantly, the natural steps you can take to regain control and confidence. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a free guide to strengthen your bladder naturally and improve your quality of life. Quick question for you. Do you experience leaks when laughing, exercising, or sneezing? Comment below with a simple yes or no. So let's break down why this happens. The first reason is pelvic floor weakening. Your pelvic floor muscles act like a hammock that supports the bladder. Over time, pregnancy, childbirth, aging, and even weight gain can weaken those muscles. When that support is gone, bladder leaks happen more easily. The second reason is hormonal changes. As women enter perimenopause and menopause, estrogen levels drop. Estrogen is what keeps the tissues around your bladder and urethra strong and elastic. With less estrogen, the tissues thin, making it harder to control leaks. The third reason is extra pressure on the bladder. Carrying extra weight, chronic coughing, or even constipation increases abdominal pressure that pushes down on the bladder. Imagine squeezing a balloon. The more pressure, the easier leaks happen. The fourth reason is lifestyle triggers. Caffeine, soda, alcohol, and spicy foods can irritate the bladder and make leaks worse. And ironically, drinking too little water can also worsen the problem, because dehydration irritates the bladder lining and makes urgency worse. Let me ask you here, do you notice leaks more often after drinking coffee or soda? Comment coffee, soda, or none down below. Your answers might help other women too. So what can you do about it? Here are natural steps that work. Start with pelvic floor exercises, also called Kegels. Imagine you're stopping the flow of urine midstream. Hold that squeeze for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Do 10 to 15 reps 3 times a day. Over time, these strengthen the muscles that control leaks. Next, focus on balanced hydration. Don't avoid water. Instead, sip throughout the day instead of drinking huge amounts all at once. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Another tip, plan bathroom visits. Train your bladder by going every 3 to 4 hours instead of waiting until the urge is extreme. This teaches your bladder to hold more steadily. And don't forget healthy weight and movement. Even losing 5 to 10 pounds reduces pressure on the bladder. Low-impact activities like walking, yoga, and Pilates improve pelvic strength naturally. Finally, consider dietary support. Foods like flaxseed and soy contain phytoestrogens that gently support hormonal balance, and fiber helps prevent constipation, which reduces bladder pressure. Bladder leaks are common, but they're not something you have to accept as part of aging. Small changes like pelvic floor exercises, hydration, and lifestyle adjustments can make a huge difference. To help you get started, I've created a free bladder health guide with powerful natural tips. The link is in the description and pinned comment. And if you're looking for additional daily support, I've also linked a trusted natural supplement resource that many women over 40 rely on. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's been your biggest struggle with bladder control? Sneezing, laughing, exercise, or just sudden urges? Comment below and let's start a conversation. Remember, you are not alone in this, and solutions are available. Don't forget to grab the free guide, check the resource link, and subscribe for more women's health tips every week.